Hello, we are Tavon and David from TD Adventures. In today's video, we will show you what we did to make sure the chassis engine alternator is charging the coach batteries. In our Class B RV, there are 4 ways to charge the coach batteries. They can be charged by shore power, by the onboard generator, by the solar panels, and by the chassis engine alternator. We assumed that our batteries were being charged by all 4 sources. We did not think to check until Kathy and Sean said that they rarely needed to plug in. Their chassis engine alternator seems to be able to charge the batteries after a few hours of driving. Wait a minute. We did not have the same experience. Our batteries charge very slowly when we drive around during the day. Is the chassis engine alternator charging the batteries? It is time to investigate. We checked the Pleasure Way manual, and it states that there are circuit breakers on top of the battery box, connecting the chassis engine alternator to the DC to DC charger and connecting the DC to DC charger to the batteries. We emptied out the rear compartment, removed the battery cover, and took a look. Both circuit breakers were tripped. No wonder the alternator was not charging the batteries. We reset both breakers. What a game changer. Now, when we are traveling around, the batteries are getting recharged quickly, and we are often back to 100% by the time we park for the day. So glad we had that discussion with Kathy and Sean. That's all, folks. As we learn new things, we will be sure to share. Have a nice day.